Hey Spoolies, welcome back. It's Myers with Urban Spools, and today we're going to make a scrunchy headband. So first we're going to take our fabric and we're going to fold it right sides together, and then we're going to pin all the way along that line. And then once you've got the entire strip pinned together, you're going to bring it over to the machine. You're going to cut your selvage, and then you're going to sew down that entire strip, making sure to take out your pins. Next, you're going to take a safety pin to then turn your tube right side out. So we're going to stuff our safety pin once we've pinned it, and then we're going to push that safety pin along through the fabric, and then we're going to then pull the one end of the fabric. And you're just going to do that the entire way down until the safety pin comes out of the other side. So you're just going to push, and then you're going to pull that gathered fabric. And then once the safety pin's all the way through, you can pull out and you'll get a nice clean right side of your fabric. And then you're going to thread or loop your fabric through the headband. And so you're going to make sure it goes all the way down to the one end. And once you get it, you're going to secure it with a pin, making sure to keep the headband in the middle of that section. Then you're going to gather and get your scrunchy look by pushing the fabric together until it reaches the other end of the headband. And then once it does, you're going to fold under your fabric to get a nice clean edge. And then you're going to wrap it together and then secure it with a pin to get ready to hand sew that end shut. So when you're sewing it together, you want to make sure you're catching the top of the headband in your seam. And if you don't want to hand sew, you're also welcome to hot glue this together. And then you have your headband.